Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. I am Dr. M.J. Khan and you are watching a special analytical video on the Pakistan Politics Halchal platform, where today we are discussing a highly serious and globally dangerous situation. The covert and overt war that began in 2025 between Iran and Israel, which has now escalated into full-fledged regional crisis, with the repercussions being felt far beyond the Middle East. This just a conflict between two nations. It is rooted in hidden powers, intelligence networks, economics, conspiracies, and long-standing geopolitical interests that are now coming to the surface. On June 13, Israel launched a massive strike under the name Operation Rising Line, deploying over 100 drones, cruise missiles, simultaneously targeting Iran's sensitive sites, including the Natanz nuclear facility, military bases in Isfahan, command centers in Mashhad, and several other installations. This resulted in dozens of civilian and security casualties, and Iran's nuclear capabilities suffered a severe blow in response. During the night of June 14-15, Iran launched Operation True Promise Third, firing more than 150 ballistic missiles, drones, and cruise missiles targeting various Israeli installations, military bases, and civilian areas including Tel Aviv, Haifa, Beersheba, and military posts in Negev region. Israel suffered significant human and financial losses, and the country remained under a state of emergency. Meanwhile, the United States immediately deployed military and intelligence support to Israel, while Russia and China issued statements in support of Iran. The UN held discussions over de-escalation resolutions, but the international community appears ineffective in managing the crisis. Amid all this, a shocking revelation has emerged: the deep intelligence cooperation between India's RA and Israel's Mossad. Leaked intelligence reports suggest that the information Israel used for the strike came from RA's covert network inside Iran. Spy agents stationed in places like Chabahar Port, Tehran universities, and key government institutions provided data on nuclear scientists, their travel, their offices, and facility locations, which enabled Israel to execute precise attack. This has not only enraged Iran but also made it clear that this is no longer a bilateral war, it's a full-blown intelligence network war with covert agencies playing major role. Global markets have also been severely affected oil prices have surged by $8 per barrel, gold has reached $2,400 per ounce, and investment projects across the Gulf region have stalled. Saudi Arabia and UAE have declared red alerts on strategic installations. Tensions are rising in Pakistan, Afghanistan, Turkey, and Syria as well. The Iranian public has taken the street demanding the government take the war to the international courts. Meanwhile, the Israeli cabinet is holding emergency sessions and may soon extend operation to Gaza, Lebanon, and Syria. This conflict is no longer confined to the Middle East. It has the potential to spark a global war, especially if major powers like Russia, US, China, and India become directly involved. American military bases and cyber system inside Israel could become targets of Iranian cyber attacks, while Iran's countermeasures could directly threaten US interests in the region. This war has evolved into a fifth generation warfare, where information networks, propaganda, and economic manipulation have become more dangerous than missiles. Considering all these developments, it's clear that this war may escalate further unless urgent diplomatic intervention is initiated by global powers. Viewers, if you want in-depth analysis, verified intelligence, and honest reporting like this, then like this video now, comment below, keep us informed, and subscribe to our channel with the bell icon turned on. Because here we don't just deliver news, we bring truth, depth, and a glimpse into the future. I am Dr. M.J. Khan from Pakistan Political Halchal, and my mission is to awaken every mind and expose every hidden truth. May Allah protect you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.